Hello students, how are you? Now today I will explain chapter 3 linear equation in two variable. Okay. First of all you know what is the linear equation. पहले आपको ये जानना होगा कि linear equation क्या है. Okay. देखो linear equation that definition you can write by yourself. An equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yes students, so an equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Okay, these are all the real numbers. So an equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. ब्रैकेट में है तो where लिखेंगे a and b are the which type of number? A and b are the real number that must be need to real numbers. Okay, so an equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a and b are real number is called a linear equation. A linear equation. Yes students, that definition you can write by yourself. Okay, there is no need to learn. Okay, अपनी भाषा में भी बना के लिख सकते हैं. तो अपनी ही भाषा में बना दीजिए an equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a and b are real numbers means that a cannot equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, that must be need any real number. So is called a linear equation. इज हटा दीजिए, कॉमा दे दीजिए, called a linear equation. Clear? Example, four x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. It is the linear equation. Clear students? Now on that base, here the given other rule has given so then that rules first rule has given कि a unique solution if the graph lines are intersect, यानी if a graph line if a graph line intersect if a graph line intersect, then it is unique solution. Unique solution. Yes, students. For example, when you will write x dash, y and y dash, that is the x-axis, y-axis. If you make the equation, so two equation you will find. One equation assume that given, other equation is that both lines, okay, एक इक्वेशन से फर्स्ट लाइन, दूसरे इक्वेशन से सेकेंड लाइन, फर्स्ट लाइन और सेकेंड लाइन दोनों एक दूसरे को जहां इंटरसेक्ट करेगा तो वहां पे एक सोल्यूशन बनेगा. ओके, यानी पहला रूल वही है कि इफ अ ग्राफ लाइंस, दो लाइंस, एक लाइन एक लाइन, यानी ग्राफ लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट, देन इट इज यूनिक सोल्यूशन. तो जब काटेगा तो उसका एक सोल्यूशन बनेगा, और एक सोल्यूशन बनेगा तो इसे हम कहेंगे यूनिक सोल्यूशन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सेकेंड रूल गिवन, इफ अ ग्राफ लाइंस आर पासिंग थ्रू द पैरेलल, अगर ग्राफ लाइन सीधे पैरेलल जा रही है, अंडरस्टूड, तो देन व्हाट इट मे बी, दूसरा लिखेंगे इफ अ ग्राफ लाइंस मूव थ्रू पैरेलल या रन्स पैरेलल, रन्स पैरेलल to each other, then there is no solution, there is no any solution. Okay, so there is no solution, here no solution, here the unique solution, इसको याद रखना है. Okay, a parallel line means same. That's example. Here the x and that is the y, x dash, y and y dash. Okay students, तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से ये लाइन और सेकेंड इक्वेशन से ये लाइन, दोनों लाइन अगर जाती है और एक दूसरे को कहीं काटती नहीं है तो देन दैट वी से नो सॉल्यूशन, यानी जब तक एक दूसरे को कहीं टच नहीं करेगी, यानी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगी, तब तक कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं बनेगा. उस केस में हम बोलेंगे नो सॉल्यूशन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड नाउ द थर्ड रूल. Third rule has given, first, second, third. Third rule, if a graph line so if a graph lines coincide if a graph lines are coincide, then then it is then there are many solutions. Yes friends, so here you will use the many solutions. So many solutions when if a graph lines are coincide, then there are many solutions. Up now language you have studied in class 9th also. That example I am giving. That is the x dash, that y and y dash. So x axis and that is the y axis. Okay, that is abscissa and that is ordinate. So if there has given the two equation, so from the first equation you find a line, let be that line. Okay, so that point, let be that point A, point B, point C. Clear? From the first equation. Now from the second equation also you find the 3 point x, y, z. From the other equation, that is the x, y, z, x, y and z, and these a and z, a and x both on the same, b and y both on the same, c and z, these are all lines are the same. It is our first equation and it is our the second equation. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से जो लाइन हमने ए बी सी ड्रॉ किया, सेकेंड इक्वेशन से भी हम जो लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे एक्स वाई जेड, वो दोनों लाइंस एक दूसरे के ऊपर जाती है, उसी को कोइंसाइड है। यस स्टूडेंट्स, तो इस केस में देयर विल बी मेनी सॉल्यूशन। इस केस में मेनी सॉल्यूशन क्या रहेगा? मेनी बिकॉज दोनों इक्वेशन के जो लाइंस है एक दूसरे को हर जगह टच करते हुए जा रहे हैं, एवरीवेयर टच कर रहे हैं, एवरीवेयर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, और इसीलिए इनको हम कहेंगे इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन। क्या कहेंगे? देयर आर इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशन। क्लियर? यहाँ एक शब्द और जोड़ दो, इनफाइनाइटली, इनफाइनाइट infinitely many solutions. Clear students? So these are the three rules. Okay, now after that I will explain the question number 1 of the exercise 3A from the R.S. Agrawal book. Exercise 3A. Question is given, solve the system of equation graphically. Solve the equation graphically. ओके, ग्राफ के द्वारा इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है। तो दैट वी हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 9th आल्सो, बट दैट हैज गिवन इन क्लास 10th आल्सो, एंड इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। सो 2x, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू एक्स प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 2, and second equation given x minus 2y is equal to 8. Yes students, so how you will solve this question graphically. So first of all, you write that first equation here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and then 2x is equal to 2 minus 3y को उधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे. Anyone you can transpose, there is no boundation. हम या तो 3y को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दें या फिर 2x को. It's depend on your desire. So then I am transposing to 3y. 3y को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दिए, and then x is equal to 2 minus 3y upon divided by 2. Clear? That is the value of x. So then 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, then 2x is equal to 2 minus 3y, and then x is equal to 2 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, now here for the point A, if y is equal to, if y is equal to, you will think 2, then x is equal to 2 minus 3 into 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 minus 6 upon 2, finally minus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. So when you will put the value of x, if y is equal to 2, if y is equal to 2, then you will get x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 for the point A. Okay. Now next, for the point B, for the point B, if y is equal to, now you will think any other digit. So y is equal to, you consider 4. If y is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2 minus 3 into 4 divided by 2. Clear, students? X is equal to 2 minus 3 into 4 upon 2, then 2 minus 12 upon 2 is equal to minus 10 upon 2 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 you will get. Clear, students? So here you will write, if y is equal to 4, then value of x is equal to minus 5. Clear, students? Now for the point, so A, B, 2 points you have get. From the help of point A and point B, you will draw the line on the graph paper. Now you will choose the second equation. Second equation has given x is equal x minus 2y is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 transpose minus 2y, then it will be plus 2y. Now here also you will find the other 2 points for the second equation. So for the point, for the point P, if in place of y, if y is equal to, let be minus 2, then x is equal to 8 plus 2 into minus 2, then 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Understood? Now we will make for the second equation. Again, that is the x, that is the y for the point P, for the point Q. Clear? So for the P point, y is equal to minus 2 and then x is equal to 4. Clear, students? Now for the point Q, for the point Q, same way, if y is equal to, you can consider any digit. So we consider here y is equal to 3 minus 3, y is equal to minus 3, then x is equal to 8 plus 2 into minus 3, then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Clear, students? So here when we put y is equal to minus 3, then we get the value of plus 2. Clear, students? Now by the help of first equation has given 2 points A and B, second equation has given 2 points P and Q. By the help of these points, coordinate points, you will draw the line on the graph paper and then finally you will get the solution. So in this way, now I am going to draw the graph paper. To graph the graph paper, that is the x dash, that is the y and that y dash. Okay, both, that is the abscissa and that is the ordinate, both intersect at the point this, that we say O, that is origin. So from there, that will be 0 to then it will be 0, and that is the 1, that is the 2, that is the 3, that is 4, that is 5, that is the 6. There will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Yes, friends? Now downward, here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now at the above, from the origin it will be positive. So from origin to right side, that will be positive numbers, and origin to left side there will be the negative number. That's you know earlier in class 9. But once again I am repeating here. And from the origin to downward, that will be the negative, and from origin to upward, that will be positive. Clear? So again here will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Clear? So now for the first coordinate point A, first coordinate point A is equal to given minus 2 and minus 5. Now coordinate point B is equal to given 2 and 4 from the first equation. तो फर्स्ट यू ड्रा द लाइन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. पहली बार हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से बने दो पॉइंट के द्वारा लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो ए पॉइंट हम जाएंगे -2. -2 फर्स्ट जो होता है x और जो बाद में आता है दैट इज y. यानी जो फर्स्ट होता है वो एब्सिसा और जो बाद में आता है दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेट. तो एब्सिसा देयर इज गिवन द -2. तो -2 फ्रॉम ओरिजिन there will be -1 -2. अब ये पैरेलल रन करेगा वाई एक्सिस के, क्लियर। एंड y इक्वल टू -5, तो y इक्वल टू -5 इज देयर, तो देन दैट विल मूव पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस। तो these parallel lines intersect both at the point this, ये हमारा हो गया पॉइंट A, and that point will be -2 and -5. Clear students? Now from the B point will be abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 4. So abscissa positive there 1 2, that will move parallel to y axis, and ordinate that's positive from 4 1 2 3 4, that will go parallel to this. So these both parallel lines intersect to each other at the point B, then that coordinate point will be 2 and 4. Clear? Now students, you will join A to B with the help of scale, so then you will get that line draw from the first equation, from the two by the help of the 2 point A and B. Clear students? Now with the help of second equation we will get the 2 point P and Q. अब now we will draw P and Q. अब हम P और Q पॉइंट फाइंड करेंगे इस ग्राफ पे। तो P coordinate has given 4 -2 and Q coordinate given 2 and -3. Clear? तो now P यानी एब्सिसा 4, यानी x एक्सिस पर +4, तो +1 +2 +3 +4, that is that move parallel to y axis. Yes students, now -2 at the ordinate यानी y axis पर negative from origin downward, the -1 -2, and that will move parallel to x axis. ये x axis के पैरेलल जाएगा। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? that parallel line and that parallel line, both parallel line intersect at the point this, and that we say point P. Point P का जो coordinate होगा that is the 4 and -2. Clear? Now next coordinate point Q, its coordinate given 2, -3. So 2 is abscissa, positive number 1 2, that will go parallel line to this, इसी लाइन पे पैरेलल जाएगा ये 2, और -3 ऑर्डिनेट पे -1 -2 -3, so that will go parallel to x axis, and +2 that go parallel to x axis, so then you get the point Q. अब ये पॉइंट Q हमने फाइंड किया। पॉइंट Q कोऑर्डिनेट हैज गिवन 2 -3, 2, -3. Clear students? So now by the help of these 2 points you will draw another line. ये 2 पॉइंट से another line draw करेंगे with the help of scale. Understood? With the help of scale रख लेंगे, ऐसे लाइन खींचेंगे। Okay? So you will observe these lines from the first equation, these lines from the second equation. ये थोड़ी सी लाइन और ऐसे जाएगी। Understood? So these lines and these lines both intersect at the point this. इस पॉइंट पे intersect किया। Clear students? Then the intersecting point both lines intersect both lines intersect at the point here you observe x per -2 and y per also -4. Then the answer will be -2 and -4. Yes, friend, that is the answer. Okay, these marks come in the board examination of the 4 marks. Understood? Now the pattern are changed. Now it comes of the 5 marks. Okay, it's very important. Now on that base you can do the further all questions you can do. Understood? Okay, students. Tomorrow I will explain the next questions. Okay, and I have also put a short video on the channel. Channel's name is MD DK Academy. Yes, friends, on that channel MD space DK space Academy, when you will search, then you will find the short video, and that short video has given for the marks evaluation, how the CBSE board will evaluate your marks. Understood? By the help of the affiliated school where the students are studying. Okay, there has given the 4 exams, unit half yearly, unit second, and pre-boards. These are all marks. Add after adding, how you will find the marks on that criteria, I have given a short video. You must watch that. Okay, okay, students.